Hey guys, I know it's after hours, but I wanted to report to you because a lot's going on in the market right now. It was getting hectic and crazy because GameStop is on the rise again. And I mentioned in my podcast coming out later how this stock is relatively worthless because of its business model. But you're seeing a reaction today, and I just want to show it to you because I may be eating my words since I taped that earlier today. When you look at GameStop, look at this move, right? This move was made pretty much right at the end of the day. Okay, so you're looking at a stock that was at 40 right at the end of the day, but look at this volume right here, which is incredible. And people are saying, is this institutions? The CFO got fired, and I think the CFO, they basically pushed out because this is a guy that refused to raise money when the stock was at 300, 400, a little bit higher than that. And now they're going to have that opportunity. So I think tomorrow morning, I wouldn't be surprised if this company comes out. You have to see if they're still in the quiet period. I'm not too sure when they report earnings, but there's the reason why a lot of companies, right after they report earnings, they'll announce capital raise. But as long as they're not in that period, which I have to check, but they need to raise money immediately at this valuation, which is insane, this valuation. So not only that, you're looking at a stock to went to 100, but now when you look today after the close, and this is why everyone on CNBC is talking about it right now, it's up another 76%. So a lot of short covering here, and when you look at the volume in particular through our sources, it's not a lot of trades that are more than 10,000 shares. So it's a lot of trades from individuals. So a lot of this is coming from the Reddit crowd. Why do I think that? Because one, Reddit's platform is down, which is a little weird. I know the Fed's platform is, I think everybody's down, right? The Fed's platform is down. But another reason too is, what's another favorite of the Reddit crowd is AMC. No coincidence here. Almost the same thing. Of course, it hasn't got up at that as high, but look at this even after the markets. Look at this move. 11% and now another 20% it's up. So it tells you that the Reddit crowd is really getting behind this, which is a lot of individual investors. You're not seeing in terms of the percentage of the volume towards the end of the day were not, I think it's like 3 or 4%, coming from institutions if you look at more than 10,000 shares traded. So there's a lot of individuals coming in, but the way to play this tomorrow morning is if the company raises money, they're going to do it at a price easily at a 25, 30% discount, maybe more. I don't know. It's 150, 160 now. It could be 120 when it opens tomorrow. They should look to raise $1 billion, $2 billion because then you have money to change your business model. You could do so many different things. I mean, it makes a lot of sense for this company. Otherwise, I mean, you're keeping the same business model. This is obviously a short squeeze. This has nothing to do with fundamentals or the company's great or the CFO left. And he didn't leave. He got fired. He got pushed out. Got a nice $30 million package. That's besides the point. But when I'm looking at this right here, and what I'm saying is tomorrow, if they look to raise money, it's going to be a different ballgame. You have an activist investor that's in there, big shareholder. And if they choose to go a different route or try to eliminate, hey, the big box stores, that's not working. You can buy these games any place you want and download them on all the consoles. Again, it's in a secular decline, their business model. But maybe they get more into online, whatever it is. It would be a game changer. It might change my mind on this stock. But right now, I mean, look for them to raise money, if not tomorrow, very, very quickly. The only reason why they wouldn't is if they're in that quiet period. But pay close attention tomorrow. It's going to be a top story. It's top story. It's all over CNBC, all over every place right now. And we'll see tomorrow because now it's just, this is when the most excitement comes in. And a lot of people love talking about this because the stock is up tremendously and it's come back and it's killing the shorts again. So get a lot of questions on it. Just want to report back to you. Questions, comments, feel free to email frank@curzioresearch.com. Also, be sure to check out our Curzio Research YouTube page. Subscribe to it. See all our videos, a lot of content. And also our podcast with our interview is also going to be on that site in about 3 hours. So exciting stuff, really cool stuff. If you want to see it, Curzio Research YouTube page. As always, I'll report back to you guys soon. Take care.